How to enable short-haul exemption in TruckX Driver's Logbook app on wired ELD. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on the home screen of the wired ELD tablet. Once you are in the app, click on More. Tap on Exemptions to enable any exemption. Select Short-Haul Exemption Setup. If you have previously enabled the exemption, you have to reset the date by clicking on Reset Exemption for future use. Choose your work location. You can use this exemption when you work within a 150 air-mile radius of your normal work reporting location, with a return to the same location and at least 10 consecutive hours off duty separating each 14 hours on duty. Click on Setup. Confirm your action by clicking OK in the dialog box. The Enable Exemptions option will be disabled, and the date for future use will be displayed at the top of the page. On the specific date when you can use the exemption, the Enable Exemption option will be available. Click on it. Confirm your action by clicking OK in the dialog box. The short-haul exemption is now activated and visible on the screen. On the home page, the activated exemption will be visible, providing you with 16 hours of work time instead of 14, while the driving time remains the same at 11 hours.